If you're facing charging issues on your Galaxy Watch, like it's not charging, no matter how many times you try, it just won't charge up, then this video will try to solve this problem on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Now, first of all, if you haven't charged your watch for a long time, the battery is fully drained, just leave it on charge overnight. And also make sure the magnetic charger is attached properly because it's easy to get confused. Also make sure you're using a Samsung approved wall adapter. And as a power source, you can use a direct wall outlet if you want. Also make sure the magnetic charger and the back of your watch is clean enough. Even if everything is okay, sometimes it happens for minor software glitch. So just force restart your watch by press and hold both of the side buttons until you see Samsung logo on your watch face. Most of the time the charging problem solves after that. If you're still facing this issue and if you have a phone that supports wireless power sharing, like an S24 series phone, just open settings and look for wireless power sharing, turn it on, and place the watch at the back of your phone to charge it. If wireless power sharing is not working, please remember it stops charging when your phone is below 30%. Just charge your phone and then charge your watch from your phone. If you have cross-checked and tried all the process we have shown you, your charging problem should be solved unless it's a hardware issue. In that case, you'll have to replace the magnetic charger. Please let us know in the comment section if this video solved your problem. Thank you for watching.